Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are in the introduction section and this is the motivational video. So I have session passed 55 MOS exams. I'm working full time and I'm very busy with family life and I have 2 children. So I know what it's like trying to fit everything in and it can be demotivating at times. So what I would advise to do is to break the course into sections. So I'd start with a domain at a time. So start off with domain 1, do bits and pieces, domain 1 and then move on to domain 2. Try not to do too much in one study session. Try and just break them in maybe to 45-minute sessions, okay? Try not to leave too long in between study sessions as well, because if you leave a couple of weeks, you might just get disillusioned. You might just decide to finish up with the course, you know? It's a great qualification to have the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. It will really look good on your job hunting prospects. So yeah, again, just try and keep the head up and try and do a bit, and that would really get you through the course. And then you'll find when you get near the exam stage, you'll be much more confident. The other thing then is to try not to get disheartened with formulas. The formulas are exceptionally tricky and it will take a while for you to get used to them. So you may not understand them when you first look over them, but don't worry, they will eventually sink in. So that's brilliant. Best of luck with the course and thanks for watching and take care.